What if I told you thousands of students are completing their master's degrees without writing their own assignments? What if essay submitted yesterday was written by ChatGPT? What if the report that scored A+ was just paraphrased by the Quillbot in 5 minutes? And what if the universities that are handling their degrees by giving to the people who do not have minimum skills? This is not science fiction, this is happening right now, and this could become the biggest education bubble of our generation. Every year millions of students travel to abroad, UK, US, Canada, Australia to pursue their dreams of better future, dreams of high paying job, and dreams of making their families proud. But then reality hits. Assignments, rents, bills, research papers, deadlines, and stress starts piling up. And that's when students discover a shortcut. ChatGPT Quillbot, an AI tool which can produce pages of content in just seconds. Suddenly, a 2000 word assignment which used to take days would be completed in just less than an hour. It feels like magic, but shortcut comes with a hidden cost. Imagine you're studying data science. Your AI is writing your coding reports, your AI is summarizing reports, your AI is finding references, your AI is also preparing presentation slides, assignment after assignment, semester after semester. Everything looks fine. Grades improve. Professor don't always notice. Everything looks okay because everybody is doing the same thing, but something dangerous is happening. You're just earning marks but not skills. You are earning credits but not competence.
And that's where the real crisis begin. The employers don't hire your GPA, they hire your ability. Because when interview starts, the ChatGPT is not going to answer you. The Quillbot is not going to answer your technical questions. Then suddenly the gap between your degree and the skills would become painfully visible. And by then it will be too late of your graduation to realize it. Now imagine father working overtime for years and mother sacrificing their savings just to invest in their children's better future, to take photos at their graduation, share the achievements with relatives. But behind this, there's a painful question. Did I really learn anything?
Because education was not just about submitting assignments, it was all about transforming you, to challenge you, to prepare you for the real life. If AI replaces the struggle, then it may also replace your growth. And then growth is the entire purpose of education. History is full of bubbles. People believed that housing prices could go up easily, but then market crashed. People believed that every internet company could succeed, but then dot-com bubble burst. Today, many people believe that a degree would automatically guarantee them high-paying jobs. But what happens when employers realize most of the graduates used AI for their academic work? What happens when companies start trusting skills instead of the degrees? What happens when universities face pressure to prove that actual skill? And that's the question nobody wants to ask. And it could become the biggest disruption in the modern education. Okay, let me be clear. AI is not the enemy tool. It's one of the most powerful tools ever created. The problem becomes when everybody starts copying instead of learning. Use AI as a teacher. Use AI as a guide. Use AI to understand concepts faster, but never let AI do all the thinking for you. Because in the end, the degree belongs in your name and the skills will belong to you in the future. And when the real world tests you, only one of them will matter. Do you think that AI is making students learn or making them lazy? Please mention in the comment and share this as much as possible. Until then, see you in the next video.